There is absolutely no specific amount you can start crypto with, but what I always recommend is always start with what you can afford to lose, something that you won't hesitate to let go for the next 2 3 years or 4 years. Okay, and something that you can always double in on. Now, for instance, let's say you want to buy a coin for like $1,000. You decide to buy for like $100. If it goes up 10%, you buy $10. You buy $100. If it goes down maybe 30%, you buy another $100. Like that, something that you can always DCA into. That is apply the cost dollar averaging, so that on average you should be in profit, or on average you shouldn't be in so much loss. That will save you a lot of headache than borrowing money and putting into crypto. I don't recommend that at all. People always ask this question: what coin do I buy, or what coin do I buy? Now, there are two ways you can invest in cryptos. Number one is you either make research before buying, or you buy before making research. Making research before buying, it means that you want to buy for a long term, and you want to, you want a coin that already have something that they offer. Now, for instance, you treat crypto like stocks. You make research into stocks and see that they have something to offer for the future before buying. Like Apple stocks, you know that every now and then people will buy iPhone. It's the same way you do crypto. You make sure that the crypto has something to offer in the future before you buy them. Now, the buying before making research is you are trying to catch a hype, and by so doing, you always enter that particular one with low amount. There are cryptos in different industry. Choose the particular industry that you feel will go well, will blow up, and then you buy into it. I also make some recommendation here. What's the best crypto wallet anyone can use? Now, when it comes to best crypto wallet, that depends on what you want to do. But the best wallet that support every single asset I recommend for anyone is Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet support every asset. Now, when it comes to Solana, you have to go for Phantom Wallet, even though Trust Wallet also supports Solana. Then when it comes to Ethereum, then we have MetaMask. MetaMask was built for Ethereum and for developers. If you want to develop in cryptos, then you have to be using MetaMask. Then when it comes to storing crypto for a long time, then you have to go for cold wallet like 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗏. I've made video about 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗏 and how you can get yours. Say hi and say 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗏 in the comment section, and then I'll send you a link to get one for yourself. Now, when it comes to privacy coin, you have to look at the 𝗥𝗚𝗡𝗧 wallet and the money. Crypto for beginners. As a beginner, the most important thing you need to know in crypto right now is always take profit. Yeah, 100x, 1000x, of course they exist, but always take profit. That's what's going to keep you in the market. If you're always waiting for 100x, you might never get it. And you might still get it. You might still get it, but the chances of you getting 100x or 1000x is slim. But always take profit. If you don't take profit, you're going to learn the hard way. You're going to learn the hard way. When you see what is an 100x, you will know. Just be good at taking profit. And when you see what 100x is, you will know. Okay. So I'm talking to you guys from experience, because every single time, if you have to wait for 100x every single time, or 1000x or 1,000,000x every single time, you're going to be burned out every single time. And you're going to be so used to burn